Joe Slovo, risking his life and his livelihood to fight this apartheid regime and stand with us, Africans, shows that the apartheid regime was not just a racial system. Uruth First, the wife of Ucho Slovo, losing her life fighting against this apartheid regime, though she was white, shows that the apartheid regime was not just a racist system. Abo Che Guevara, Abo Fidel Castro, or Cuba aligning Nazi, the blacks, some Africans, to fight this apartheid regime shows that the apartheid was not just a racial system. USSR, like giving like a country dominated by abantu abamhlophe. I think 80% of our base USSR were white. I'm sorry. Standing with us, some Africans, to fight this apartheid regime. Basinikeza ibhamu, training us to be gorilla, teaching us like isn't this meaning of how to defeat this apartheid regime. Shows Guti the apartheid regime was not just a racial system. There's intersectionality with ID. It was also an ideological thing. What's ideology? It was a capitalistic system versus a communist system. Ukuze iRussia isingenza ibhamu it's just because Tina we were communist. Yabo ukuze America supported the apartheid regime just because the apartheid regime was a capitalist system. You understand? Yonke le thing is an ideological war bafethu. Yangithola? Obviously racism was a byproduct because in South Africa there's a close relationship between race and class. Yabo? This was class warfare bafethu. But abantu bathola ama-class privileges based on their race. Yangithola? Hence it appeared ukuthi apartheid is a racial system. Hence obvious I don't dispute it was a racial system, yabo? But it was not solely a racial system, yabo? Racism was a byproduct of classism. If not, if it was solely a racial system, ngabe abo Khayelitsha, abo Soweto, abo Alex, indawo comparable to suburb, yabo? But because of racism, classism, they had to force abantu of a different race into a certain class. You understand? So there's a relationship between a class and a race when you speak of apartheid. And so that's why it was easy for USA to intervene in the domestic affairs of South Africa and bully the ANC into some compromises. Because amanye compromises were not made. Well, the ANC was not forced by the apartheid regime, but it was forced by the capitalist USA, which ends up compromises. The fall of USSR, a country dominated by white people, led with these white people that was going to dominate. You understand? So that thing was not solely about whiteness, black people fighting white people, or white people solely oppressing black people. There's intersectionality with that thing. That's why that thing feel must be careful with it. First, when such ama ancestors with Nelson Mandela, sibabiza ngama sellout, must be careful in understanding the second